Hey YouTubers, welcome to 2019. I just barely received this item. As you can see, it says caution, lithium-ion battery is located in here. So I already know what this is, and there's a little description right here. This is the Ecoflow tech that I had ordered. It's the stackable portable battery power charger that I ordered, and they finally shipped it and I finally received it. So this is the first item I'm reviewing for 2019, and hopefully there'll be more to come. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Let's see what's the first thing in here. Okay. As you can see, the first thing out of here is the 21-watt solar charger. I will open it after I see what else is in here. And we have the Ecoflow River Bank portable power station with PD adapter. And last but not least, we have the River Bank protective case. So since I have this in my hand, I'll go ahead and open this first. Got my trusty blade. Are here, designed for Riverbank. Ecoflow has the logo, Riverbank portable power station. This is just a strap here, typical case. It's a pretty hard shell case, not bad. So next we have the 21-watt solar charger. Let's open this up. So you would be able to hook this to your portable power bank and solar charge this. So this is just some packet information. There's two USB ports connected to this solar charger, so you can actually charge devices with the solar charger alone. So it's a 21-watt solar charger. And this is just instructions. Nothing else is in here. That's about it. Nothing else in there. So put this on the side. Over here, that's Ecoflow 21-inch, connected by Velcro. Some information here, how to use, and here it goes inside here. Oops, sorry, hit the camera. You can barely see, but inside here are two USB ports. Two USB ports and I guess holder for cables. And as you can see here, this is the foldable solar panel charger. So there you have it. And the reason why I got this was because the original Riverbank had included a laptop charger. A separate laptop charger other than the main portable station, but for some reason they had canceled the laptop charger, so we didn't really have a choice if you had bought the Trio. So I opted to get the solar charger, the 21-watt solar charger. So let's open up the main hub. And see what we have. Let's put this away. Open it again. As you can see here, this is the main Riverbank portable power station, the main module. There is also, as you can see here, the car booster module. There's a car booster module, and then there's the main module. And I am missing the car booster module because I did order the car booster module. So the main module has wireless charging, 2 USB ports and 2 USB-C ports. The car booster is a USB-C port and a car jump starter, so it can also jump your car. And this gives you information, capacity for the battery. You can do, it's in cell type is 18650 lithium-ion battery. Capacity is a 25,000 milliamp, so it's not bad. It's 2 USB and 1 X USB-C ports for file transfer also. And it comes with the Riverbank main module, wall charger, and then a USB-C cable. So let's go open it up. So supposedly this fully charged will charge a laptop 2 times, a phone 9 to 15 times, a tablet 3 times, GoPro 20 plus times, and a CPAP machine for 2 hours. Interesting. So let's open this up. Let's see what we have. It says here, power a free life. I guess that's their motto. Motto. Power a free life. So you have the user guide right here. So you would have the main Riverbank 94 watt, and the car booster is 44. So it would sit on top of that. It's a stackable design. It's airplane friendly, and also going to be used for the hub for file transfer. It has an LED screen and solar rechargeable. It's around 2 pounds. It's saying the wireless charger is on top right here. Then you have a breathing lamp right here, and the power buttons right here. So let's open this up. Ready for how to fly with Riverbank. It says it's TSA approved. So what we have in this box is the USB-C to USB-C wall charger. Not bad. Very sturdy. USB-C to USB-C cable. And then we have the main module. As you can see here, a hub right here to transfer files. So you connect this USB-C, or connect this USB-C USB to USB to another computer or whatever. And then you have the PD-DR, and these are the points right here that would connect if you're stackable. It's not bad. a little bit heavy, but not too bad. So let's see if there's any power in here. Okay, there's only 20% power left, as you can see. So I have my phone, which is a Samsung Note 9. Let's see how much charge let's see if the wireless does work. And there it goes, the wireless. It is wireless charging. So the wireless charging feature does work. And as you can see, I only have 2 hours left. It's running at 8 watts. 2 hours left. Oh, well, 1 hour left now at the 20%. So it does charge. And then when I take it off, as you can see, the time increases back to 99 hours since it does not have anything to charge it. And there you have it. This is the Riverbank Portable Power Station. I will put a description on where you can buy it if you're interested. Hopefully I will get the portable car charger, charge booster, or whatever the car booster, and then I'll make another video where I demo the stackable, and possibly I will demo using the solar charger. So I think that's it, YouTubers. I hope you guys and girls have a great 2019 year, and hopefully I will bring more projects. And this is the Ecoflow Riverbank Portable Power Station. Have a great day, everybody, and thanks for watching.